A very good morning to all. In continuation of lesson number 16 Hanuman, today we will do question number 1, that is opposite. Question number 2, arrange the sentences in sequence. Question number 4, make sentences, and question number 5, in book. So let's start with question number 1. Question number 1 is find the opposites, and these opposites should be from the story. So beta, first is thin. Thin means patla, dubla patla. You can see here. And the opposite of thin is fat. So we have to write from the story. Thin ka fat thick bhi hota hai, but in the story there is a fat word. So we will write fat. Weak. Weak means kamzor, and opposite of weak is strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Going means jana. So opposite of going is coming. C-O-M-I-N-G. D part, cold. Opposite of cold is hot. H-O-T, hot. E part, daughter. Daughter ka opposite son. S-O-N. Okay, spelling of son is S-O-N, son. Now come to the next one. As per the story, arrange the following sentences in proper sequence. Here few sentences are written. And now after reading one by one all the sentences, we have to arrange these sentences in a proper sequence. जो story में पहले कोई इंसिडेंस हुआ है वो उसको हमने नंबर 1 लिखना है, एंड देन नंबर 2 उस वाले सेंटेंस को जो उसके बाद स्टोरी में हुआ है, और लास्ट नंबर हम उस सेंटेंस को मार्क करेंगे जो सबसे एंड में हुआ है. इज इट ओके? सो द फर्स्ट वन, सी पार्ट बेटा. हनुमान वॉज फीलिंग वेरी हंग्री. हनुमान को बहुत भूख लगी थी, तो दिस इज फर्स्ट. Then second is Hanuman wanted to eat the sun. Hanuman sun को खाना चाहते थे. This is second. The sun gave baby Hanuman a slap. Sun ने baby Hanuman को जोर से एक slap दिया, चांटा दिया. This is number 3. E part, baby Hanuman fell to the ground. Baby Hanuman ground में गिर गए. And the last one, Hanuman has puffed cheeks. हनुमान के कैसे चीक्स हो गए? पफ. तो दिस इज फिफ्थ सेंटेंस. ओके, सो आफ्टर पुटिंग द नंबर्स व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, रीड वन बाय वन. जो सबसे पहले है उसको सबसे पहले रीड करेंगे, देन द सेकेंड वन, देन थर्ड, देन फोर्थ, एंड देन फिफ्थ. इज इट ओके बेटा? Now question number 4, make sentences with the following words. We have to frame sentences with the words which are given here. First is fruit. I like to eat fruits. Second is naughty. My brother is a naughty boy. Plump. Hanuman was fat and plump. Next is round. The ball is round. Question 5. There are many words in the story which tell you about Hanuman and the sun. Find out a few words and fill in the each petal. Here two flowers are drawn. Here is picture of Hanuman, and on the other side is a picture of a sun. We have to write down describing words for Hanuman and for sun. So Hanuman was fat. Hanuman was naughty. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Hanuman was strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, and Hanuman was plump, P-L-U-M-P. So these words are describing Hanuman. So now let us describe sun. हमें यहाँ पे sun को describe करना है. Sun is red, then sun is round, R-O-U-N-D. Sun is hot. Sun is bright and sun is red. रेड हमने लिख लिया है, ब्राइट एंड yellow also. So we can write down yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. So these words are describing Hanuman and sun. So these are describing words. As we all know that describing words are words which describes naming words. So Hanuman and sun both are naming words, and these words are describing Hanuman and sun. So this is all for today, and we will again meet tomorrow with a new work. Till then, bye bye and take good care of yourself.